What's up, everybody? We're doing a four boxer. Okay. Four boxes. Put this back over here. Good luck. We have 99 Hot Routes. Scary Terry. $199 Hot Routes. Stephon Diggs. Out of $199. Marion Barber? Yeah, Marion Barber. And there we go, Malik Willis. Hello. Tennessee, Mr. Fellows. Out of 99. Well, that's a good start. We got DeAndre Swift out of 99. Terry Hill out of 199. Kenneth Murray out of 25 hash marks. Chargers, Mr. Pardon. And Matt Corral, Carolina, Mr. Muir. That is out of 199. Out of 199, Michael Pittman, Colts. Eagles to 49, down and dirty, Randall Cunningham. Kyle, got your team in the random. Mac Wilson out of 199, hash marker. And Garrett Wilson. Goodness gracious, this stuff. Out of 249, Garrett Wilson. Jets are still rolling. Dustin. Out of 99, Mammoth Material, Wanda Robinson. Mammoth Material out of 199, J.R. Dotson, Washington. Lake. We got Josh Jacobs out of 35. Very nice. Raiders. Dustin. 2 good hits for you. And out of 99, Travon Walker. Jags. Rick. There you go. First pick overall. Well, that was a pretty solid 4 boxes. Josh Jacobs. Mr. Wilson. Mac Wilson. Kenneth Murray. Marion Barber. We had 99, Travon Walker, Garrett Wilson, Matt Corral, and Malik Willis. There we go. Congrats, everybody. Let's do the line up. What are we doing? What team?
Patriots.
WHITE. Four. And 5. David and Eddie. Line out. Hey guys, congrats. And that was a full box. That was a hell of a 4 box, y'all. Cheers out.